What's up guys, it's Karl here, back with one of my favorite monthly videos. It's of course the one that you guys love as well. It's my monthly tech unboxing haul plus of course giveaway. Just like every one of these episodes, you've got a chance to win one of the items today. And of course, I'll be announcing the previous month's episode right now. Big congrats, I've responded to that comment, and unless you don't want to win, you don't have to bother responding. But for everyone else, big thanks for entering, and for today's episode, super simple as always. Just be sure to sub to the channel. Of course, leave a comment down below on your favorite item, and follow me over on Insta, and in my next month's tech unboxing haul, which will be coming in November, I'll be announcing the winners just like this episode. Let's get to the first item, which was in the thumbnail and the largest, and we'll kick things off with gaming this month. So this was the behemoth, and when I got this in the mail, I of course first off saw Xbox. Fresh Ego Kid. Since I'm a big football fan, the real kind of football, you know, the one played with your feet. I know this brand, it's an ex-footballer that's now gone into fashion. It's even got its own limited edition number, 174 of 200, so I'm in an exclusive grouping. So we've got a camo hoodie, a Fresh Ego Kid hat, and a custom camo controller. No batteries inside. Come on, Xbox, you gotta include batteries. This is the kind of stuff that I receive, and I know a lot of you ask about, say, the hoodies that I rock, some of the clothes that I wear. I'm definitely into this kind of stuff, but not a fashionista or a hype beast. The next game that I got was from the new Ghost Recon Breakpoint game. This is the limited edition bundle from what I can tell. This is the steelbook copy here. Still have yet to play it, obviously, just way too busy, but let's get this guy out. So we've got this pretty dope figurine here, and when I started my YouTube channel, I used to be really into these limited edition game unboxings. This dude's probably from the game. We have a pair of dog tags, Walker Cole D, a POS, point of sale, prisoner of. Inside, we also have some limited edition artwork. I think I'm personally a bit more of a Lego fan, but I think this would fit perfectly into someone's collection. That's really dope. This next guy that we got into the studio just the other day was the Microsoft Surface Laptop 3, and I'm a big fan of Surface laptops, even though I typically use a MacBook Pro. If there was one kind of laptop that could compete with that, it's probably the Surface line. I love what Microsoft has done with their design, just making it very simple. It feels super premium, matte black finish, 15 inches, and I'm actually gonna compare this guy against my 2019 MacBook Pro, so stay posted for that video, but this is one of my favorite Ultrabooks. Speaking of laptops, from my Google event last week, we also got the new Pixelbook Go. This guy is Google's latest Chromebook, and the one that they had last year, what was that device? I think that was the Pixelbook Slate. I think Google was trying to do too much. They were trying to make a premium device for something that ran Chrome OS, and they made it way too expensive in my opinion. They're going back to the roots here and creating a simple laptop, no foldable devices, nothing that can come off as a tablet, Chromebook. And I think that's the direction that Google needs to go. Obviously, it's way cheaper, it's way lighter, way more portable, and it actually has these grooved hinges on the back, so it's way more grippable, I would say. I'm curious how well this will hold up with dirt. I'm sure stuff may build up. I don't know how dirty you guys are with your laptops, but that seems to be a trend for some of mine. We've got a couple new mouses from Logitech, in addition to the MX Master 3 that was out, I think it was a month, maybe two. They're small, portable, affordable. They've come in a couple different colorways here. We've got the blue, the pink, off pink, and of course just the standard white. More from the Google event, we got a refresh of the Google Home Minis. They're now called the Nest Minis. At first glance, they look pretty much identical. Key big features are it now has a wall mount hook, so if you do have a screw in the wall, you can mount that somewhere. Just keep in mind the cable will be running down. These guys make great stocking stuffers. They're still keeping that awesome $50 price point, and I'm sure as we approach the holidays, these will go on sale. They're such a solid buy for only 50 bucks. Last from that event, of course, I won't do a full unboxing as I've got a couple of vids out. It's the Pixel 4, and I kind of want to ask, do you think Google did enough this year on the Pixel 4 line. I've seen a lot of comments on my last vid. People were disappointed with not only the hardware specs, we're missing an ultra wide camera. It's got a small battery. The display isn't anything to cry home about, at least it is 90 Hertz. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I don't know if Google did enough this year. And last but not least, this is kind of merging into the tech lifestyle game. I got this Herschel GShock Watch. It's one of their first collabs. I am a pretty big watch guy, and you don't even need to be into watches to know the GShock Casio brand. They were pretty famous back in the day. They're dope, simple, cheap, battery powered, so they actually keep better time than this guy. Let me know your thoughts, kind of matches my outfit, and of course this guy is up for grabs for one of the giveaway items. And that was all the tech that I got into this studio in this month. There was a ton. We started things off with some gaming, of course some laptops, into the Pixel stuff. Cannot wait for November. So if you do want to win one of these items, just be sure to of course comment, sub, follow over on Insta, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll catch the rest of you in one of my next ones, or in one of those mythical vlogs that I plan on doing. Peace.